Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with a bunch of products, but the main product we're going to be working with is the Hippest Hippos stamp set and die set. These are both free celebration items at the level 1. So that means level 1 means you spent $50 or more and you can get this for free, and $50 or more you can get this for free. So if you want both of them, you need to spend $100 before shipping and tax. Okay, so we're going to be using those two items. We're also going to be using the Celebrate Everything Designer Series paper. This is a Host Designer Series paper. It's in the July to December mini catalog. In the back, you could miss it because it is very small on the page. Let's see, let me show you where it is. So it's just right here at the top of the page, and you can't really, see that it's something for you to get. But it you can purchase it with your Host rewards. Yeah. So that's the only way to get it, is with Host rewards. So we're going to be using some of this paper. We're also going to be using the what are these called? The layering diorama dies. We use the second smallest set of dies here. Then we're going to be using the stylish shapes dies, as well as the Stitched with Whimsy dies. Yes, a lot of dies, I know. Okay, so I've done a lot of things ahead of time, so we won't take too long. But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. First off, we have our Sweet Sunflowers Paper Pumpkin Kit for August. You have until August 10th to subscribe to get this particular Paper Pumpkin Kit that comes with 2 stamping spots, as well as a free gift of 8 gold foil honeycomb sheets. And there is a link in the description box below to subscribe for the Paper Pumpkin. Next up, we want to remind you that it is watercolor month for the month of July, which is almost over. Like, what, one more day? Just a reminder that, get your watercolor items that you need to make your own projects. Next up is our Sale-A-Bration promotion. Like I said, if you shop, you can earn free Celebration products with a qualifying order of $50 or more. They have 2 levels. Level 1 is $50. Level 2 is $100. Even if you spend $100, you can get 2 $50 items, but those are the price points. Host earn exclusive products during Celebration, and it's a stamp set, the Perfect Pomegranate. You get this free when you host a workshop for $300 or more. Hosting a workshop, you can either collect some orders from some friends or place one big order for yourself. Now, the best promotion during Celebration is always to join Stampin' Up and be a member of Honeybee's Stamping Hive. Your kit is $99 plus tax. The shipping is free. You get to choose $125 worth of product of whatever you want, except for Celebration items. But in your kit during Celebration, Stampin' Up is going to give you a Making Plans collection, which includes a planner and all of its insides, 3 notebooks, and a stamp set. Okay, I would love to have you on my team, so think about that. If you're going to spend $99, you might as well get the kit. And lastly, we have our July host code. This is the code that I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me, unless your order is $150 or more. If it's $150 or more, do not use this host code, because you will be getting Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on that, okay? So now let's get to our project, because we have a lot of stuff to do. Like I said, I've already done a couple of things ahead of time. Uh-oh, I'm dropping stuff. Oh, there's things sticking. So we're gonna put those to the side. So I have gone ahead and die cut some flowers out of basic white, crushed curry, polished pink, and Tahitian tied using these 3 flowers here, which is 2 separate dies, and this is the hippo dies. Okay, so let me get my card base, which is thick basic white. It's 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Just trying to line the ends up here so we can burnish this score line. Get that all ready for us to put together. We have a piece of 5 1/4 by 4 Tahitian tied, and this is what I did the Stitch with Whimsy frame on that. We also die cut some Tahitian tied using the diorama, layering dioramas. And then the layering dioramas with a piece of white, the basic white. Then we have some basic white here at 3.5 by 4 3/4 for the inside of our card, and some designer series paper that is cut at 3/4 of an inch, and we're going to cut it down to 3.5 once we add it here on our cardstock. And again, this is for the inside of the card. So I'm just going to go ahead and start putting that together because there's no stamping on this portion. So I thought that's where we would start. And then we have a layering piece here of crushed curry at 5 by 3 3/4. Let me get my scissors and we're going to trim the extra bits off of here. This designer series paper, Celebrate, what is it called again? Celebrate Everything. Yes. It has designs in there for Christmas, for Halloween, for just any occasion. New Year's, whatever you want. Birthdays, just general stuff. Okay, so that's the inside of our card done. Let's go ahead and put it in our base. Might as well, since we have it done. Let's glue it down to the card base. And while we have our base, let's go ahead and glue down our Tahitian tie because this is going down flat on the front of our card. Just like this. Okay, so we have that down. And I can go ahead and layer these 2 together because there's nothing going to be done on that. Just like that. Okay, so I think that's all we need to do right now. So next up, we're going to do some stamping. So I have a scrap piece of the crushed curry and a scrap piece of basic white. And we're going to do some stamping with the Tuxedo Memento black ink. So let's get that. And we're going to use a sentiment. You're always on point. And we are going to stamp this right here in the center of our crushed curry. There we go. Then we're going to be using this hippo. She's so cute. And we're going to just stamp her on this basic white. I want to make sure I get a good inking. And I want to hold it for a second to let that ink go into the paper. Her smile is not as dark as I want it. Okay. So we're going to do some coloring. So I have some Stampin' Blends. We're going to be using the light Daffodil Delight, the light Smoky Slate, the light Polished Pink, and the Color Lifter. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started, and I'll probably speed this process up. Okay, so now we have our hippo all colored up, but I don't like the lightness of her mouth. You can barely see it. So I have a black Stampin' Right marker here, and I'm going to use the fine tip, and I'm just going to trace over her mouth so you can see it a lot better. Okay, so now let's do some die cutting. So I'm gonna get out the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, the Baby Boss, and we're gonna do some die cutting. Let me get my plates, and let's get out our dies. So we're gonna do the hippo using this one, and from the Stylish Shapes dies, we're gonna get the second smallest circle. And we're gonna cut these out. So let's see if I can get them both on here and get them cut at the same time. Okay, so now we have our pieces and everything is put away. So let's go ahead and start building our card now. So first we're gonna start with some designer series paper cut by into strips. These are 3 1/4 by 1 1/4 and 3 1/2 by 1 1/4. And I am doing a Casing Tuesday card sketch number 360 for this card. So we're gonna go ahead and glue these down. Gosh, I love this paper. So you guys, I am pre-recording this video a couple of days, well, about a week ahead of time from when I'm gonna post it. But when I post it, the day I'm posting it, it's gonna be my birthday. It's gonna be my birthday. Yeah, so this video is gonna be posted on my birthday. I get so excited every year for my birthday, even if we don't really do anything. I'm still excited because it's my birthday. I know I can't be the only one gets excited about their birthday. I'm always excited. I get excited for other people's birthdays too. Because like I said, my oldest son's birthday, his birthday is 3 days before mine. So I get excited about that too. Let's see. Ooh, that's a little too close to the edge. Let's turn that a little bit. Okay, so we have that, and we're gonna put this down flat. And I want this part to be on this side, so I'm gonna just put that right down in the middle. In the middle. This is so cute. I got these color combination from I think her name is Laquita Bugs, I think. Okay, I think that's it for the glue for right now. What I need is some Stampin' Dimensionals, because we are gonna pop up our sentiment and our hippo here. So let's get a couple of dimensionals for our sentiment and a couple for our hippo. Come on. One more probably in the middle. There we go. Sticking. Okay, so we're gonna put her, oh, this is so cute. I love these colors together, and I love this stamp set. It's so cute. Okay, so we're gonna put you about right there. We're gonna take our backings off. And we're gonna sit her right here. She's so cute. Wait, you're moving. I want her straddling this just like that. Okay. So now we're going to put those flowers that I told you I die cut out. Now is the time for those. So I have them here, and we're gonna just put dots of glue where I want to put them. So we're gonna put one there, one here. Ooh, that was a bit of glue. One here. Let me go ahead and put these down before I put too much in the wrong spot. So we're gonna put that one there. Another polished pink one up here. Ooh, that's kind of big. I think I'll do this one down here. Like that. Oopsie, too much glue. And I wanted this one, I think in the middle here. Maybe I should have tilted her more. Let me see if I can lift her up and make her tilt this way a little bit more. Yeah. Then we'll put this guy, yeah, like right there. Right there. That's what we'll do. That one right there. Okay, so then I want these flowers, the white ones, just like this. Just like this. So we're gonna put the big one here, the next size up here, or size down rather, and the smallest one up here, just like that. That is so cute, and we're not done. Take your pick tool. We're gonna add on some of the 2022 to 23 in color opal rounds, and I'm gonna use the polished pink. I'm gonna put these on the basic white flowers right in the center of them. If I can get them off, let's see. Oh. Come off the take your pick tool and scoot over in the middle. There we go. Then I'm gonna get a larger one and put in the middle of this flower. Come on now. Guess I should have waited for the glue to dry a little bit more. Okay, but that is it. We're done. Isn't that cute? Look at it. It's super cute. Okay, you guys, that is all I have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.